The ZANU-PF Director of Information, Farai Marapia, has broken the silence on the disappearance of environmental activist and farmer Nadia Vongai Mavarakari. Sana bina mashoko abudanyiko panapa tuna kuti aiwa vakomana voya vachikomenda manje pamusoro allegations avaibvunzwa kuti aiwa why is it Nadia anouya achidisappear mane vakomana vakamunyangarisa, but at the same time kunokwa kunza aiwa holdings aiwa nebusiness aiwa mubato makwemoko waiita weya uchitogwa wonza aiwa wava wemwana aiwa we a big fisher with the ruling party ndoti wasubscribe like what on the bell kuti vina pava mudani wamchinzia. Nadia was allegedly abducted from her home in Chitungwiza last Wednesday evening. A police report has been filed at Makone police station under RRB number 634617, but authorities have yet to make any progress in locating her. Reports suggest that Mavarakari's disappearance is linked to the group of politically connected individuals, including Watsirai Joe Matiza, the son of the late Transport Minister Joe Bigi Matiza. Watsirai, a ZANU-PF National Youth Member for the Environment, is accused of attempting to seize control of Mavarakari's Murewa farming project. Mavarakari, a key figure in Green Rebirth, an environmental advocacy organization, was known for her resistance to illegal land grabs disguised as the development initiatives. After discovering Matiza's alleged intentions to take over the Murewa project unlawfully, the Green Rebirth Board urgently filed a High Court application to block the move. The same day, the case was brought before the court. Suspicious individuals, including a CID officer identified as Shenje from Murewa, were reportedly seen near her home. Later that evening, as Mavarakari stepped outside to look her gate, she was abducted and has not been seen since. Thomas Warudanjuko Panava now, Iwa Yanadia Yamunza to social media. To Nokomanave, Maria Rights on Branchit in Amnesty International, the Zimbabwe Human Rights NGO Forum, and other advocacy groups have called for an immediate investigation and the safe return of Mavarakari. However, given Zimbabwe's history of state-sponsored violence and impunity, many fear that a case, like countless others, will be ignored, downplayed, or outright denied by authorities. Ndoma miroga tita issue aiwa ya Nadia. Mbonza mafunguro enyu tudi pamusoro pichitiko chikina kuma section medu. Mafunguro enyu, sama subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.